Na-mention po kayo ni Moira while we were interviewing Moira for press con kanina. Kapag kayo daw yung pupunta, kayo daw yung susunod, medyo natatakot siya. Kasi yung energy level ng audience na super taas. Tapos syempre yung boses niya mellow. So, natatakot siya about kung ikaw ang susunod. Medyo susundan ka niya o siya, ano po reaction niya doon?
You know, si Moira is one of the most popular OPM singers that we have now. She just finished a concert at the Araneta Coliseum. It was sold out. And lahat ng kantang nilalabas na instant hit. No reason for her to feel that way. She has a different style. I also have a different style. But sa ngayon, she's so popular. Siya ngayon ang talagang pinagkakagulahan ng buong Pilipinas, right? So I'm very happy for her and I'm also very proud of her.
Meron pa rin pa ba kayong stage fright now that you're already an icon? Meron pa rin ba kayong takot bago kayo mag-perform? Kasi
I think hindi naman nawawala yun, and it's all part of performing. And actually, thinking about it now, I get nervous more if I don't feel anything and I'm already backstage and I'm about to perform. Parang mas nakaka-nervyos yung hindi ako parang wala lang. Kasi yun na nga yun kasama yun sa buong experience. You know, it's not just the audience who experience a performance or a show. We also experience the same thing, but ours is different because kami yung nasa stage. But we all experience a performance, all of us. We all. Pag nanonood ka ng concert, hindi ka lang naman napapakanta, may nararamdaman ka. Minsan may makaka-relate ka sa sinabi ng artista, may kanta na nakakapagpaalala sa'yo ng kabataan mo. So it's a whole experience. And tayong lahat ang nakaka-experience while it's happening. And that's why I love performing kasi talagang masarap to be part of a concert. And lalo na ngayon, dalawa kami at itong concert na to very special sa akin dahil pangarap ko ito. So ganun. Parang I'm sure sobrang nenervyos din ako dito. But like I said, it's all part of the experience of doing a concert.
Mas brave ka na ba ngayon dahil sa different career na tinatak mo, vlogging, posting? Mas brave ang vlogs mo at mga post mo lately.
Talaga ba?
Yes, about traffic, mga lately.
Talaga ba?
Yes. Or na-influence lang kaya ni
Nakikialam
Augie.
lang. Nakikialam
Societal
lang.
problems na ma-relevant.
Ano na?
Societal problems na relevant naman.
Talaga ba?
Post mo.
No, because I was just thinking about it. I don't do that all the time. Siguro I was in traffic that day and I thought of it. I don't know if I'm braver. Now. Siguro it's also nice to be able to say something when you... Kasi di ba, a lot of times we try to be careful kasi ayaw naman namin na mabash. Sino bang gustong mabash? But minsan nga kahit hindi ka naman nagsasalita, babash ka anyway. So parang minsan okay na rin magsalita. As long as you know that you believe in it and you'll never know. It might help, your opinion might help, or you'll never know, mapukaw ang may mapukaw na kaisipan dahil sa sinabi mo. You'll never know, right? So, ang idol ko kasi ngayon, bago yun, si Greta Thunberg. Oh my gosh, that kid. Kilala mo yan? Si Greta Thunberg is, well, she's now considered an environmentalist, right? Environmentalist kasi at such a young age, she is using her voice to influence a lot of kids her age to help Earth. You know, so it's nice.
But every year, because you're already a brand of your own, you're a genre of your own, you're a Regine. Yes, ma'am.
I'm a genre.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You are a Regine. And look, every time we we watch you and look after what you've been doing, you always surprise us with something. So are you planning to give us a surprise again this year and next year na ibang gagawin?
Hopefully, sometimes I just think of something because I want to try it, and I don't know that. I'm not really even sure if the public will like it, but apparently, like you said, minsan it's a surprise na nagugustuhan ng mga tao, but minsan hindi rin. Minsan meron ding mga fail, but my attitude kasi is you just keep trying. I mean, that's why you're here, diba? Hindi porket merong hindi nag-work, you'll stop creating already and you'll stop working or you'll stop singing. You just keep doing it, diba? And yun nga, lalakasan mo lang. Lalakasan mo lang talaga yung loob mo. Kagaya ng tanong niya kanina, if I'm braver na ba? Apparently, I say things in Twitter and you'll never know na baka meron kang ma-influence na tao, hopefully in a good way. Hopefully, meron akong magawa next year na ikasu-surprise ng mga tao.
And we would like to say, as a fan also, there will always be a day where we will always look for a Regine in a group. Hinahanap po namin yung Regine. Every time there's always a competition, a song, hinahanap namin yung Regine. And it's already, that's why you are truly an icon. And how does one go beyond being an icon?
How does one
Go beyond being an icon.
I don't know how to answer that question, but siguro I love that I'm able to influence. My job, that's what I love about my job, is I'm able to influence, I'm able to inspire other girls who've been dreaming to be someone, diba? Kasi like ako, I think more than my voice or more than whatever, I think it's my story that inspired a lot of people. During the 90s, ganun na parang they got very inspired of where I came from, and if she can do it, then I'll be able to do it also. And my story kasi is medyo popular, di ba? Dating train ako ni Mang Jerry, and we were poor. So I think more than my voice, and more than my personality, or kung ano man yung lumabas, I think it was my story that has inspired many people. And I love that my story has that effect on many singers. And kasama na rin yung pagkanta ko doon, syempre, kasi kinakanta nila yung mga kanta. So, na-happy ako doon kasi parang memory din ni Mang Jerry will live on because of that.
Will Nate be also be singing your song soon?
Parang wag na lang. Wag na lang. Bata pa kasi siya, so hindi ko alam kung ito magiging interest niya ba ang pagkanta, hindi ko sure, but it's in his blood.
Tsaka pinapanood namin yung mga ginagawa niya.
Tsaka syempre the influence is there, but right now, iba yung ano niya, iba yung gusto niya sa life. He wants to be a scientist, he wants to be a pilot. I know, he doesn't want to be a pilot. He wants to be an astronaut. Ganun siya, nasa ganun siya. So I just let him. But ako naman, I don't have any dreams for him. Whenever people ask me, what's your dream for your kid? Because that's his job. It's his job to dream. Mommy's job and daddy's job is to support him. So whatever he wants to do with his life, we'll just support him.
And today we celebrate the National Family Day.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Send your message to your fans celebrating their Family Day today.
I just want to greet everyone happy. Ano nga yan? National Families Day. And siguro ito yung time na masarap to be with your family. I was with my whole family last night because it was my mom's birthday. So we had a wonderful time. Nagkaraoke kami. simpleng bagay lang naman, nakakasaya na, basta magsama-sama ang buong pamilya. Minsan nga, meal lang, di ba? Kainan lang. Usually gano'n naman, di ba? Sa kainan, kwentuhan, doon mo, that's how you're able to catch up with your family. So, enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.